Oh my gosh.
Let's go, baby. Oh. Careful, use your head. Use your arms. Go, baby, go. Go, Kason. Gotta turn around. You don't run into the wall.
What's that?
No, you gotta put on a show.
Oh my gosh. Look at this kid. He just turned 5 months yesterday. Whoa.
Yeah, get the alligator. Go. Get him. I'm gonna get you. Almost there.
I think he's...
Almost there.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, Kason, you made it! He's gonna keep going.